Hello, I'm Leslie Heimbaugh, and I'd like to tell you about the Perry County Literacy Council. In my presentation, I'm going to tell you about our programs, the private grants that we write for support services for our clients, our partners, our fundraising efforts. I'm going to give you some adult ed statistics, and I'm going to tell you about the fact that our programs really do offer a truly life-changing experience for students, tutors, staff, and donors. PCLC is a nonprofit agency that it serves about 150 Perry County residents each year. Our services include adult basic education tutoring, community and prison high school equivalency preparation and testing, which is the GED, workplace instruction and certification testing, employment services, special needs student services. We have an early childhood resource center, and we do associates for training and development, which is a program for senior citizens that would like to stay involved in the workforce. And we have many other programs. In addition to state, federal, and county funding, we need private funds, some of which are discretionary funds that can be used to help students the most effective ways. Some of the grants that we write for are with the Hoverter Foundation, the Stabler Foundation, Perry County Community Foundation, the Greater Harrisburg Foundation, the Dollar General Literacy Foundation, PNC Foundation, and many, many more. As of 2019, our total private grants have reached almost $650,000. So that's a lot of money to do a lot of good work with. We have innovative support services for our students. We live in a rural county. There's no access to public transportation. So we decided to get these ideas together to be able to come up with things that we could do to really help our students stay involved in our program. So we offer door-to-door transportation to students without a car. We have gas cards for those who do have cars. We offer cell phones and minutes. This is something so important because if you don't have a cell phone, an employer can't reach you and we can't reach them to see how they're doing. We offer scholarships that pay at least half the cost of high school equivalency testing, and if our student can't afford even half, we'll take care of all of it. We offer fees, we pay the fees for clothing items from suits to careers for women and tied to success for men. This is interview suiting and work suiting, work clothing also. We offer community aid clothing cards to people who say just need a winter coat or need summer clothes or something like that. We pay the fees to acquire and or replace identity documents such as photo IDs, birth certificates, and social security cards for our clients and their families. For example, housing requires that each family have every one of these pieces of documentation for every family member. And they'll say, just come back when you have it. Well, we know that that's going to be impossible for many people. So we just jump in and take care of this so that they can keep moving forward. We pay for permit and driver's licensing costs. And we even do driving lessons for people who just cannot get that together. And obviously many, many more services. We have very many collaborative partnerships, meaning that our students can get many of their needs met under one roof. Instead of having to make a separate appointment, they can just walk across the hall and get something taken care of. And all of our partners, their clients, can get our services too. Fundraising is an extremely important component in the success of our program, and the Race for Reading is our largest and most important program coming up in May. In 2018, we raised $65,000 in a direct mail campaign, which I'm proud to say gets a 25% response rate. We sell about 200 dinner tickets and received many cash donations. The event includes a private mint julep party, betting on the Kentucky Derby, which airs on big screen televisions, a live and silent auction. The silent auction includes more than 100 items that are donated by local Perry County businesses and individuals. And the live auction has 10 bigger ticket items. It's a catered meal, which I happen to cater. We have two smaller fundraisers, the annual giving campaign, which is also direct mail, basically soliciting year-end donations, raises about $10,000, and it surrounds itself with a student tutor story. So why did you come here? What did you hope to achieve? And we tell that story, and it really moves people to donate. We have the Chili Cook-Off, which is a tiny fundraiser in the summer. It's held at the Perry County Fair, but it does raise awareness of some of the things that we do. Here's a couple of adult ed statistics that can make a great case for supporting Perry County Literacy Council. The most importantly are for every dollar invested in adult education services, the community gets $60 back in decreased welfare costs, tax revenue, and economic activity. The completion of a high school equivalency diploma program equates to $9,621 in extra earnings per year. And from about 2014 to 2018, I'm proud to say more than 115 Perry County students received high school equivalency diplomas. The work that Perry County Literacy Council does is truly life-changing. Our customers are our top priority. Our students are survivors. They've been through things that would knock most of the rest of us over. Every student is important and treated with respect and dignity. We advocate for our students, especially those who can't advocate for themselves. And it's an innovative approach to caring for the whole person. And again, a life-changing opportunity for students and staff. Cultural anthropologist and writer Margaret Mead said, "Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has." And this quote really illustrates what PCLC does. I'm so proud to be part of it. I'm so proud of the work we're doing. And we're really helping our Perry County neighbors move forward and to lead the life that they dreamed of. Well, thank you very much for your attention. Once again, I'm Leslie Heimbaugh presenting about the Perry County Literacy Council for COM 130 Public Relations. Thank you so much.